Honorable 𝗙𝗹𝗹𝗶 Shri 𝗦liche𝗰𝗶𝗹, Honorable 𝗦cie Dr. Vivek Joshi, esteemed state election commissioners, senior officers from ECI, representatives of state election commissions, ladies and gentlemen. We are all aware why we have assembled here today and what are the objectives. Dr. Joshi has very clearly and in detail mentioned all that. The different systems in different states in the state election commissions. The main idea of assembling today is to increase the cooperation. We already have cooperation, a very good cooperation between state election commissions and ECI, whether it's the sharing of electoral rolls or sharing of EVMs, loaning of EVMs, and we are all aware of that. I would not like to repeat that. I'm sure during the course of the day, we will learn from each other quite a lot through our experience sharing. India is a big and varied country. Every state has a unique situation. Even within many states, there are unique pockets which give us unique experiences. I'm sure during the course of the day, when we learn from you how you tackle those challenges, it will be good for ECI and for all other states to learn that. Instead of reinventing the wheel, we can definitely moderate those experiences to make them better applicable to other states. Duplication happens sometimes. That will be another challenge. Let's see, although the areas are very clearly demarcated, but there is always some overlap and some duplication. We'll have to see during the course of the day whether we can find some ways where we can reduce that duplication and save our resources. We keep listening from different states in different contexts, from ECI offices and from state election commissions. Some doubts keep arising and we keep discussing. I'm sure during today's discussions, if we have some doubts, that would also be cleared. Like Dr. Joshi said, we'll be having separate sessions on electoral rolls, on EVMs, on ECI net, and we will definitely like to listen from you, what are your opinions about that and how it further can be improved. Because nothing is perfect, there's always scope for improvisation. With your experience from your states or from your own experience of long years in the service, I'm sure you will be able to do a lot of value addition which can be implemented and which will help in further evolving the systems in ECI. Trust is the foundation of every electoral process. Again, let us share our views how the trust can further be strengthened, because democracy, the foundation is trust. And we must try our level best that in all the challenges, we are able to not only maintain the trust, but increase the trust in the system. Technology, not only in ECI net, in other ways also, whether it's EVM, technology is changing very fast. Last week only in this very hall and building, we had AI Summit. Lot of new ideas were shared. And it's mind-boggling to learn that what AI is going to do in future. And no area will be left untouched. Like when IT came, when the computers came, people were not aware what areas of the life will be touched by the computer. But today, life is simply not possible without computer. Even your cell phone is a mini computer, which is lying in your pocket. It's so difficult to survive today without that mini computer in your pocket. Similarly, this AI is becoming so important that every aspect of life will have to adapt to the AI, otherwise you will be left behind. So we will see how AI would be affecting the electoral system. We need to keep thinking, and we need to keep adopting all these new technologies, at the same time keeping the trust in mind. At the end, I would just like to wish all of you and this gathering that this day's deliberations become very fruitful and we learn from each other and we are able to do in a better way what we do for the elections. Thank you.